Welcome to the Financial Agent, your command center for sales, costs, profit, cash flow, and compliance, all in one powerful module. Built for finance teams, accountants, and decision makers, this is where numbers turn into confidence. Start with the financial dashboard, your real-time financial snapshot. At the top, smart summary cards show total revenue, inventory purchases, net profit, gross margin, and transactions, instantly revealing your financial health. Use currency and date filters to switch between PLN, EUR, or USD and compare any time period in seconds. Below, visual charts break down profit versus expenses, monthly trends, and daily cash flow, so you always know what's coming in, what's going out, and what's left. The Marketplace Orders page brings all marketplace sales into one detailed view. Track prices, fees, payments, VAT, shipping, refunds, and order status, all line by line. Filter by marketplace, review total order volume, and drill into financial or logistics details when needed. It's clarity for finance, control for operations. The Rewiser page is built for accounting, audits, and monthly closing. Switch between views like overview, cash flow, revenue, expenses, payroll, subscriptions, shipping, marketplace fees, vendors, documents, registers, and bank, all fully synced by date. Every tab gives you clean totals, percentages, and trends, helping you verify costs, spot anomalies, and prepare audit-ready data with confidence. Meet your financial AI assistant. Just ask, show unpaid invoices, verify supplier payments, give me last month's purchase report. No reports, no filters, just instant financial answers in plain language. The Save Sessions page stores every completed reconciliation. Open past sessions, review match rates, inspect mismatches, or walk through results step by step without rerunning anything. Perfect for reviews, audits, and historical checks. The OSS VAT report automates cross-border VAT reporting. Upload raw sales data, let ExactFlow handle currency conversion, and instantly generate country-wise VAT summaries in euros, including net, gross, VAT totals, and percentages. Fast, accurate, audit-ready. The data upload page is the foundation of accurate finance. Upload marketplace orders, invoices, ERP data, corrections, and refunds. Validate everything with one click and let ExactFlow match, verify, and flag issues automatically. No mismatches, no surprises. The ExactFlow Financial Agent gives you visibility, accuracy, and control from daily tracking to audits and VAT reporting. Less manual work, more confidence. Smarter financial decisions, powered by ExactFlow.